Welcome to our deep dive into one of nature's most extraordinary creatures, the duck-billed platypus. This fascinating mammal, known scientifically as Ornithorhynchus anatinus, is a marvel of evolution and an emblem of the diverse wildlife found in Australia. Today, we'll explore the platypus's biology, behavior, habitat, and the challenges it faces in the modern world. Ever since its discovery by European naturalists in the late 18th century, the platypus has perplexed and intrigued scientists and the general public alike. Its mosaic of characteristics, a bill of a duck, a tail of a beaver, and the body of an otter, has made it a subject of intense study and fascination. Early encounters with this creature led to widespread disbelief, with some naturalists initially suspecting that it was a hoax created by sewing together parts of other animals. However, subsequent studies confirmed its authenticity, making it a subject of immense curiosity and scientific scrutiny. We will uncover the secrets of its ancient lineage, the peculiarities of its daily life, and what we can do to ensure its continued survival in an ever-changing world. The platypus, with its unique blend of traits, serves as a living testament to the adaptive wonders of evolution. It challenges our preconceived notions about mammals and offers a glimpse into the complex tapestry of life on Earth. Get ready for an engaging journey through the life of this incredible animal, from its evolutionary history to its role in the ecosystem, and from its unique habits to its conservation needs. The evolutionary marvel. The platypus is a member of the monotreme family, a small group of egg-laying mammals that includes only 5 existing species, 4 echidnas and the duck-billed platypus. The origins of the platypus date back millions of years, making it a living fossil. Fossils of ancient relatives indicate that they have retained many primitive features, such as egg-laying, which is more commonly associated with reptiles and birds than mammals. Their evolutionary lineage diverged from other mammals approximately 200 million years ago, leading to their unique reproductive and physiological traits. The monotreme's evolutionary path provides scientists with vital clues about the early stages of mammalian evolution, highlighting the diversity of life forms that have existed. Recent studies, including genetic research, have shed light on the complex evolutionary history of the platypus, revealing how it retains both mammalian and reptilian traits. For instance, the presence of a leathery beak, egg production, and a venomous spur in males are traits reminiscent of reptiles, whereas milk production and fur are distinctly mammalian. This intersection of features makes the platypus not only a subject of academic interest but also a key species for understanding evolutionary biology. Insights gained from the study of the platypus help decode the evolutionary puzzle of how mammals have adapted to various environments over millions of years. Understanding the platypus's evolutionary journey can provide significant context for broader studies in genetics and developmental biology, making it a fascinating subject of ongoing research. Physical characteristics. Let's take a closer look at the physical characteristics that set the platypus apart from all other mammals. Its most distinctive feature is its bill, which resembles that of a duck. This bill is not just for show, it's a sophisticated sensory organ. Covered in thousands of electroreceptors and mechanoreceptors, the bill allows the platypus to detect mechanical and electrical signals from prey, making it an expert hunter even in complete darkness. This ability to sense electric fields emitted by the muscular contractions of their prey is known as electrolocation, a trait shared with certain fish species but rare among mammals. The webbed feet are another remarkable adaptation, perfect for swimming. The platypus uses its front webbed feet for propulsion, while the back feet and tail function as rudders, providing steering and stability. On land, the webbing retracts to reveal sharp claws, allowing the platypus to dig tunnels and navigate rocky terrain. Their dense, waterproof fur provides exceptional insulation, enabling them to endure cold waters for extended periods. The underfur traps a layer of air that acts as thermal insulation, while the outer layer repels water, keeping the animal dry and buoyant. The flat tail, often compared to that of a beaver, serves multiple purposes. It stores fat, which is essential during periods of food scarcity, helps in swimming by acting as a stabilizer, and provides balance while walking or burrowing. Additionally, the tail can function as a defense mechanism, delivering a venomous sting from the male's spurs during the breeding season. Together, these physical traits efficiently equip the platypus to thrive in its aquatic habitat while maintaining foraging flexibility on land. Platypuses are endemic to eastern Australia, including Tasmania, inhabiting freshwater ecosystems such as rivers, streams, and lakes. These environments provide the crucial elements for their survival: abundant aquatic prey and secluded breeding sites. The platypus constructs burrows along riverbanks, using its sharp claws and strong limbs for digging. These burrows, which can stretch up to 30 meters in length, provide protection from predators and harsh environmental conditions. The structure of these burrows can vary significantly, with some having multiple entrances to deter predators and others featuring complex networks of tunnels and chambers that provide both shelter and a strategic vantage point for accessing the water. Within these burrows, the platypus creates nesting chambers lined with leaves and reeds to provide a soft, insulated environment for raising its young. Outside the breeding season, individual platypuses are generally solitary and territorial, marking their domains with scent glands to deter intruders. Understanding these habitat preferences is crucial for conservation, highlighting the need to preserve and restore freshwater ecosystems that are increasingly threatened by human activity. The platypus's reliance on clean, well-oxygenated water makes it an indicator species for the health of its environment, underscoring the interconnectedness of ecosystem health and species survival. Degradation of their habitat not only threatens the platypus but also signals broader environmental issues that could impact a variety of aquatic organisms. Efforts to maintain and enhance their natural habitats are vital, as they support diverse ecosystems that provide critical ecosystem services, such as water filtration and habitat for numerous species. One of the most intriguing aspects of the platypus is its reproduction, which starkly contrasts with most mammals. Unlike the majority of mammals, platypuses lay eggs. During the breeding season, typically occurring between June and October, females engage in prolonged courtship with males, who compete through displays of strength and scent marking. She incubates these eggs by curling around them for about 10 days, maintaining the necessary temperature and humidity levels through her body heat. Upon hatching, the underdeveloped young, resembling tiny embryos more than baby mammals, are entirely dependent on their mother's milk for nourishment. Remarkably, platypuses lack nipples. Instead, milk is secreted through mammary gland ducts and absorbed through the skin in a process called areolar milk secretion. The young lap up the milk directly from their mother's skin. This primitive method of milk delivery is akin to some reptiles and ancient mammalian ancestors, showcasing the platypus's unique position in the mammalian lineage. The nursing period can last up to 4 months until the young are ready to leave the burrow and explore the outside world. This extended period of dependency highlights the complex and highly specialized parental strategies that have evolved in the platypus, ensuring that the young have the best chances of surviving in their challenging environments. The mating and nurturing behaviors of the platypus not only emphasize their unique reproductive strategy but also reflect the intricate evolutionary adaptations that contribute to their survival. The platypus is a carnivorous forager, predominantly feeding on aquatic invertebrates such as insect larvae, worms, and crustaceans. Their hunting is typically nocturnal, relying on electrolocation, a biological sonar-like capability facilitated by the electroreceptors in their bill, to locate prey underwater. This ability to detect electric fields, combined with acute mechanical sensitivity, allows them to hunt effectively even in murky waters where visibility is low. Feeding involves an intricate process where the platypus dives with its eyes, ears, and nostrils closed, using its bill to sense and scoop up prey from the substrate. Once captured, food is stored in cheek pouches and brought to the surface, where the platypus grinds the meal with rough pads inside its mouth since it lacks teeth as an adult. This foraging method is energy-intensive, often requiring the platypus to consume up to 20% of its body weight daily. The platypus's diet isn't random. It adjusts according to the availability of prey in its habitat, showcasing a high level of adaptability and ecological interaction. This dietary flexibility also means that platypuses can thrive in a variety of freshwater environments, from fast-flowing rivers to still ponds, adjusting their hunting techniques accordingly. Additionally, their role as apex predators in their aquatic ecosystems helps to maintain the population balance of their prey species. contributing to the overall health of the habitat. The platypus's feeding behavior, therefore, not only reflects their remarkable evolutionary adaptations but also underscores their ecological importance in maintaining biodiversity and ecosystem stability. Platypuses exhibit complex behaviors adapted to their semi-aquatic lifestyle, reflecting their evolutionary history and ecological niche. In water, they are agile swimmers, using their front webbed feet for propulsion and their back feet and tail for steering, a swimming method that is highly energy efficient. They can stay submerged for up to 2 minutes, though longer dives are possible when they need to explore or escape from predators. On land, the platypus moves in a more cumbersome manner, tucking its webbing to walk on its knuckles, an adaptation that minimizes damage to its webbed feet and enhances their ability to traverse rough terrain. Communication among platypuses, although not as well studied as other aspects of their behavior, includes vocalizations such as growls, squeaks, and whistles, which are believed to play roles in mating and territory defense. Observations of their interactions with the environment reveal a highly adapted creature capable of intricate behaviors tailored to its unique lifestyle. Additionally, their nocturnal habits are thought to be an adaptive response to avoid predators and competition for food with other daytime active species. The study of platypus behavior not only enriches our understanding of this unusual mammal but also provides broader insights into the cognitive capabilities and adaptive strategies of wildlife, opening new avenues for research in animal behavior and ecology. Despite their enchanting and unique nature, duck-billed platypuses face numerous threats in the wild. Human activities have significantly impacted their populations and habitats. Habitat destruction primarily due to land clearing for agriculture, urbanization, and infrastructure development poses a massive threat by reducing available natural habitats and degrading waterways. Pollution from agricultural runoff, industrial discharges, and plastic waste further degrades their living conditions, making water bodies uninhabitable. Climate change exacerbates these problems by altering water temperatures and flow patterns, affecting the availability of prey and the suitability of habitats. Invasive species such as foxes, cats, and even introduced fish compete with and prey on platypuses, adding further pressure to their survival. Legal protections exist under various national and regional laws in Australia, but enforcement and further protective measures are often required. In addition, public education campaigns are essential to raise awareness about the platypus's plight and promote community involvement in conservation activities. Understanding and mitigating these threats are vital for their continued survival, ensuring the platypus remains a part of our natural world. Furthermore, research into the effects of microplastics and other emerging pollutants on platypus health and behavior is crucial. The conservation of platypuses also relies on ensuring the health of entire aquatic ecosystems, as these environments are shared with a variety of other native species. By promoting sustainable development and reducing human impact on natural habitats, we can create a more secure future for the platypus and biodiversity at large. Advocacy and policy change, along with increased funding for conservation research, are integral components in the multifaceted approach required to protect this unique species. The platypus holds a special place in Australian culture and Indigenous folklore. For Indigenous Australians, the platypus is a celebrated figure, often appearing in Dreamtime stories that explain its origins and its role in the natural world. These stories frequently portray the platypus as a creature embodying various animal characteristics, symbolizing the interconnectedness of all living things. Early European settlers were baffled by this extraordinary creature, with some even suspecting specimens sent back to England were an elaborate hoax stitching together parts of different animals. The platypus has since become a symbol of Australia's unique wildlife, prominently featured in literature, art, and media. Popular children's books, educational programs, and scientific presentations often highlight the platypus as an example of evolutionary wonder and biological diversity. It serves as a mascot for several Australian environmental organizations and is featured on commemorative coins and stamps, reinforcing its status as an icon of national heritage. The continued celebration of the platypus in cultural contexts helps to strengthen conservation messages and efforts. This cultural significance also plays a vital role in fostering national and international support for conservation initiatives. By highlighting the platypus's unique place in Australia's natural heritage, we can inspire a sense of collective responsibility and stewardship towards preserving its habitats. Understanding and appreciating the cultural narratives surrounding the platypus can enrich educational efforts and empower Indigenous communities to lead conservation projects. Ongoing scientific research continues to uncover the many mysteries of the platypus, offering insights that extend beyond the species itself. Recent genetic studies have provided valuable information on the unique evolutionary path and adaptations of the platypus. In 2008, the sequencing of the platypus genome revealed a fascinating blend of reptilian, avian, and mammalian traits, offering a window into the evolutionary history of vertebrates. Particularly intriguing are the discoveries related to the platypus's venom, primarily found in the spurs of males. This venom, which causes severe pain and swelling in humans, contains a complex mix of proteins that have potential medicinal properties. Researchers are exploring its applications in areas such as pain management and antimicrobial treatments. The study of the platypus's electrolocation abilities has also advanced our understanding of sensory biology, contributing to fields as diverse as neurobiology and robotics. Furthermore, conservation biology research focuses on the impacts of environmental changes on platypus populations, helping to inform strategies for preserving their habitats. By studying the platypus, scientists gain broader insights into evolution, physiology, and ecology, making it a key species in numerous scientific disciplines. For example, understanding the mechanisms behind the platypus's unique sensory and venom systems can lead to the development of new technologies and therapeutic approaches. Moreover, the platypus serves as a model organism for studying the impacts of pollution and climate change on aquatic ecosystems. By continuing to unravel the biological and ecological complexities of the platypus, researchers contribute to a greater understanding of biodiversity and the interdependent systems that sustain life on our planet. The duck-billed platypus is a remarkable testament to the diversity and complexity of life on Earth. Its unique features and behaviors provide invaluable insights into evolutionary biology and the adaptations of living organisms. Through concerted conservation efforts and increased public awareness, we can ensure that future generations will continue to marvel at this extraordinary creature. As we conclude our journey through the life of the platypus, it is crucial to recognize the role each of us can play in conservation. Supporting habitat protection initiatives, reducing pollution, and advocating for stronger environmental policies are essential steps toward ensuring the survival of the platypus and other wildlife. Thank you for joining us in exploring the incredible world of the duck-billed platypus. We hope you have gained a deeper appreciation for this unique animal and the importance of preserving its natural habitat. By working together, we can help restore and protect the platypus's habitats, promote sustainable practices, and foster an ecological consciousness that benefits all species. Let us commit to being stewards of the natural world, ensuring that the enchanting duck-billed platypus and its ecosystem continue to thrive for generations to come.